Today, I'm here to thoroughly guide you on crafting a weed cutter for your yard. This is an affordable, durable, and highly effective tool that's simple to create. Watch the detailed video walkthrough that I assure you'll find enjoyable and helpful. The primary materials required include an old baby stroller. You'll dismantle it and strategically position an iron plate to secure the grinder in place. This piece here originates from a school closet, which I modified by drilling a hole to accommodate a screw. The grinder will be securely held in this position to ensure stability and prevent it from detaching. Let me break it down for you. All you need is to screw it tightly and precisely, keeping it firm and balanced. As for the baby stroller, parts were selectively removed to streamline assembly and facilitate crafting the highly functional weed cutter. Observe this step. I separated the stroller's rear wheels, made a precise hole, and strategically joined two segments at the stroller's rear using screws and nuts. Make sure to attach them firmly on both sides for stability and efficiency. And this third one I had to drill must stay here. I took the front wheels apart, shortened them, and put a tube between the two wheels so they always keep the same distance and so as not to protect the machine cord. In case it touches something, also put a piece on the sides to keep the wheels in. These two irons bent to the sides mark the height I need. That's right, you'll see. We are going to place the two pieces of tube that are going to go to the sides. Fix the wheels between the holes. Put the center screw back in, which is where I showed you I made the hole between the two pieces to attach it. Fix the stroller arm to the same screw with a piece of iron left over from the same stroller. Bend the ends and it will serve to fix this part here. Note that it is completely detachable for easy transportation or to store it without space problems. The other side you are going to place on the arm of the stroller, so he does the same on the other side. Our cart weed cutter is firm and ready. Now I'm going to tighten all the nuts to make it even firmer. Ready. It turned out perfect. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to use the grinder. You're gonna need a steel wire. Then place the first piece of the grinder. Now notice this. These four little holes are standard on most grinders. We're gonna use two of them to lay the steel wire. I mean, that's right. Whenever you need to cut weeds, you won't have any problems. All components need to be assembled first, and then secure the steel wire in the machine's holes using the provided machine key for proper functionality. Be careful! This steel cord is strong and thick, so pay attention and always disconnect the machine from the current before attaching or removing the cord. Another thing, leave this white plastic part to protect you from materials that can shoot off like rocks and pieces of branches. To place the grinder is very easy. You just have to position it and put the two screws on the sides. The grinder already comes from the factory with the spaces for the screws, and on the back of the grinder put a wire and tie it so it will be firm and secure. It's not going to come out or move. Now I'm going to turn it on to show you how it is firm, strong, and powerful. Before connecting it to the current, check that everything is safe and firm. Then turn on the button of the machine first and then connect it to the power outlet. This makes a direct connection, preventing you from being near the machine. When you turn it on, come on, Put the cord here for safety in case I need to turn it off immediately, and using a cord extension I'm going to turn it on and cut that weeds to show you the power and efficiency of this. This initial test was a way to confirm if it functions properly before moving on to the main trial. See here, this isn't just grass, it's wild tall weeds. Some are already dry, making the task harder. Let's focus on cleaning up the lower area thoroughly so you can observe the machine at work in full detail.
The machine demonstrates significant power. Should you need to replace the cable, the process is straightforward. Simply lift the tool, swap the cable, and you're all set. Quick and easy. Using a rake, I'll now showcase the results. I'll clear away the cut weeds to provide a better view of the cleanup progress. Take a look. It's truly remarkable. Everything is completely destroyed and tidied up. I will never have to handle it manually again, which was exhausting. Now all that's left is for me to familiarize myself with my weed and grass cutter in more depth. Check this out. This is not just grass. It's a mix of green and dried weeds that are really tough to clean by hand. If the machine can handle this, it means working with grass will be a breeze and so much quicker. Just observe the transformation of the floor. It's astonishing. The scraper machine is absolutely worth the investment. Now let me provide you with a detailed demonstration of cutting grass with it.
Look folks, it's amazing. I'm not going to buy a lawnmower. This solves my problem.
All right, folks. Now I'm going to show you up close. I must exercise caution to avoid the machine creating unnecessary holes in the ground surface, because it starts the roots show their strength while the grass may look unattractive. However, the overall result remains remarkably excellent. God bless you, and take care of your whole family, I hope.
Having helped you, please
Subscribe
to the channel and share my video to help me.